Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World for another episode. Today we're going to be taking a look at the POWEROWL rechargeable batteries. I have the AA's and the AAA's. This was sent to me by the company to review. However, I'm not getting paid. This is my full review on what I think. We're going to unbox this. We're going to use this. I'm going to use these extensively, and then I'll come back here and I'll give you my final thoughts. But before we do that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment. And before we get to the unboxing, just to let you know, I'm going to be comparing the POWEROWL rechargeable batteries, to the Energizer rechargeable batteries, which you can find these in the store. This is a 4-battery charger. This is an 8-battery charger. However, I have 4 AA's and 4 AAA's. We'll get into all that and everything. And at the end, I'll let you know which one I think is better, and so you can make a good decision. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, so let's unbox the POWEROWL rechargeable batteries. So the company did send these to me to demo them. This is what comes in the box. I have a little card. It says a user manual, pretty much self-explanatory. They sent me 4 AAA batteries and 4 AA batteries. I'm curious to see how these compare to the Energizer lithium rechargeables. So this is the charger, and what's nice about this, look at that, 8. I can charge all 8 at once. Connects through a cable, looks like USB micro. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. So comes with the charging cable, which is really good. Now obviously it does not come with a charging adapter, wall adapter. So I'll have to get one, or I'll have to plug it into a USB. So anyway, let's get these open. Let's get these charged, and let's demo these and compare these to another name brand that you would buy in the store. And let's see how good these are, and let's see if these can outperform the Energizer rechargeables. All right, so I've got them plugged in. I got them on this little charger, the USB out. You can see all of them are charging. Really nice that you can charge all 8 at the same time. So we're going to let those charge, and then we're going to try them out. These POWEROWL AA batteries, 12 volt, 2800 milliamp hours, and they are phenomenal. And running them in this scanner, and we're going to see how long this thing will run and see how far they dwindle down. So let's see how well the POWEROWL rechargeable batteries work. Okay guys, so check this out. Home Patrol scanner. Been running it with the POWEROWL rechargeable batteries. It's been running for 6 hours straight. And I don't know if you can see the battery meter or not, but it is still showing full battery strength after 6 hours of running on a battery. I have never had this thing run that long off battery before. The POWEROWL's still showing a full charge. So pretty incredible actually. So I highly recommend these things. They go forever. They charge pretty quickly. POWEROWL, yeah, I definitely recommend them. All right guys, so bottom line, you have 2 different types of batteries here. I've always used these Energizer rechargeable batteries in the past. However, I can tell you that they just don't perform up to, let's say, a standard Energizer or a standard Duracell. They kind of go dead a little bit faster. So, you know, they're good for remote controls, things like that. Heavier use, I would always tend to buy regular batteries. However, with the POWEROWLs, I'm not going to have to do that anymore. These things are amazing. So I really like these batteries. They lasted a really long time. The different tests that I've done, you know, with basically with a scanner, I could run it about 7 hours or so, 8 hours with the Energizer. 13 hours on the POWEROWLs before it completely died. That's incredibly long range for a police scanner. Use these in my kid's little remote control car. Use these in another Home Patrol scanner, which again got incredible time. I mean, 7 hours in and it still showed a full charge. So overall, I like these. Just a comparison though, the Energizers, I had to look it up because it doesn't list it on the battery. The Energizer's 2300 milliamp hours. The POWEROWL's 2800 milliamp for the AA's, 1000 milliamp for the AAA's. That's pretty good battery life and extended life, and that's a lot of milliwatt hours for these size of batteries. So overall, I would have to recommend these definitely. I think you need to pick these up. There is a link in the description. You can also get them on my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/MikesWorld. And I'm telling you, you won't regret this. I had some people at work wanting me to order them some rechargeable AA batteries for wireless microphones, and I was going to buy the Energizers until I reviewed these. This is what I'm ordering for them. So I love these, and I'm probably going to pick up some more, and I really like the 8 battery charger, and they charge pretty quickly. So hey guys, that's my review. Thank you for tuning in to Mike's World. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment, and I'll see you next time right here on Mike's World. Take care.